Good evening, this is Jatinder Singh Narula. Today on 21st of November 2025, I am at Sanewal, which is near Ludhiana city. In front of me is the JCB3DXPlus Backhoe Loader, which has been deployed at a brick kiln. At present, the machine is doing dumping of this overburden material onto this ditch. This complete ditch has to be filled up, and there is a small hillock here. Earlier during the day with the excavator bucket, he has cut off some portion of the hillock. Now he is loading this material and dumping it into the ditch, long ditch. The 3DX Plus loader bucket has a capacity of 1.1 cubic meter. Excavator bucket capacity is 0.26 cubic meter. The loader bucket offers excellent breakout forces, which you can observe as the machine goes into the heap.